Hornbill special report into today's ocean about in Chibai. Tami mag tayo to point ground zero para hi report kang bola hi tuni hi uki zo unaw zirbama. Sungnu bang ni may tete sol nanwaya anapwa kawa to azeni peace agreement sa iron ananewa. Kay zirbama ground report bola kapela ni pamila hi bazar kai khom nalayo hiya. Imana le may teten lem na chi chen wa hi ai mi ta de sol na hi chi ni ve izil na we ta lungnop ta hi om lai ni me te ram bai tangle te police ten hi zairon ko valu wa pa na hin nupi it hoi ta nu zo sang kim ta thum nei ko teacher a sem hi athat wa tu chen hi a postmortem report kinga ya hi le ata sa vuni som ko person hi main ka da hi marta te CRPF te ko asi hi le banglia mitong ki khei hi stay ngai tu chen hi pona mi hi za hi tu neng ki pe hi ang tha mai hi lo postmortem bol lon a bol sunung zo lo in hi tamte hi bangzia postmortem bowling DNA test ngai hi ni dang ki zakha ngai a legality banga hi chi hi pa bana bangding a thumte hi ahunta bolowa Ministry of Home Affairs Delhi na kham hi achiwa hinale lamkai lamten hi Ministry of Home Affairs te to confirmation ki bolna tambang order khasi chi hi tammi josuan te ki bolna Kuki ta chapa teng ki bol na hi lung thain Mizoram sunga pualo ding chia tammi ki palu le hi Mizoram jong so san ding hi kin ta hi je ni brain le Ministry of Home Affairs te ni Mizoram a pu sa lo ding chiwa helicopter kang peding chi tanin hi anaki solo hi hinal le isangam unaw te hi za ki thuata Mizoram te jong ang khalawa ang hal thawa voice to sana sa zong nei thena din hi mi peace sentiment kai thona ding ai Mizoram poding chi tu lai ta in tamitak of war ki kala ki na lai hi tonin nei te ni ei minu me somli wala su satawa ei khat zong amawa su sia dong ki nei nai lo hi tamte ngai to ai le bangdia me te to ai chi khan sia hi tammi hun ki hong hi nasata ki kap to then ring hun mo chi do na hi imana le CRPF te hi nidanga na ki deilo army te poding hi kal thum vel na kinanga hi CRPF sap te la hin nei te a hi jen hi tutung sil tunga jong hi bang chidana CRPF te kura si thawa kaplowa tu dala ki belta ki khelum the hi chi hi do na lian pi hi tambang ki bol na tung tang hin justice ki dei hi jen hi tambanga tana kuki women human rights stand hi tamyang organize hi tana rally din hi tana pat koi tia pat ni public grab tan ki peding hi tami mang tai tholin brief report tu tung silchung report kang bol hi tu tan ni Mizoram langa luang tun leng tun lo di hi ngai ven hin ala bangma update the sia DNA test ding chi ya DNA ki pi ya to zo chen hi po the hi de hi si de confirm de hi kunin rally event baule
innocent villages, they are students, youths, a father, a sibling to someone. Some of them are an entrepreneur, some of them are a football player, and most of all they are an innocent civilian who only took up arms after their villages are being attacked, after their brothers and sisters are killed, after their families are killed, their houses are burned. So this is a message that we want to give out to the Indian government that these are not terrorists, they are village volunteers who come out here to protect the lives of their siblings, the life of their villages, who come out, who took up arms to protect themselves, to protect their children, their homes. So once again, what we want the center to know is that our political aspiration, that is a demand for a separate administration in the form of Union territory still stands, and that forced subjugation, forced silencing of our volunteers, forceful silencing of our voices, deployment of more CRP forces or Central forces trying to impose forced peace on us will not bring about a solution. But the only solution is to expedite the talk, a political talk for a separate administration. And as we stand today, as we rally today, let us always keep in mind that we have a common political aspiration, we have a clear political goal, that is to gain separate administration, and also these innocent villagers are village volunteers. The manner in which they were killed are so brutal. We can see faces being mutilated, eyes being plucked out. These are not something that the Central Security Forces should do. And that is why we say this is an extrajudicial killing, and this is inhuman, and it is the violation of human rights to a great extent. Mutilation of corpses can only be done by terrorists, especially we condemn the CRPF on this matter, and we think and then we ascertain that it is not only the CRPF who did this, but the Meitei militants and the Meitei police are also involved in this. So we want an inquiry into this matter, and then so to show our protest, to show our concern over the mutilation and killing of our 10 brothers, the student bodies in Chuchanpur have declared a non-cooperation movement to the CRPF. As such, till today, from day before yesterday, CRPF are, even those who are in our district are kept confined in their own station. They are not permitted to roam out, and even if they come out in shops or anywhere else, public are not giving cooperation till today. Even water supply, wood supply, everything is stopped for them right now. That is what we have been doing so far, and we are going to launch more intensive agitation, more form of protest to seek justice for the 10 brothers and also for those who have gone before them, who have died before them. So today, once we gather here, let us always keep in mind that we have a goal, a political goal, and that we shall all join together and shout together and march together till we achieve our political aspiration. Thank you.
Tuna ki zo na chireli thupi ta hi pa kai minin kan hong ta na he pa chi ko e
Ketima Bangin, Ibon, Salin, Munsal Tayo Kasuni ng Sibin, Program Ilong Tiyo ba yung koy mata at si Thang ba Thang Lo Tiyo, Tuki Say Ho, Iho Di Nga, Isa na Fatso Mam Ti, Iga Lo Tiyo, Isa So Kay Di Hi, Lam Kai Hon, Hitabang, Lam Kai Phai Ni Ma Hitabang To Hon Niu Hi, Imam Thawge, Gamne Nam Ngai Lu Thay, Lam Kai Phai Ni Nai Sibin Lam Kai Hachuk Kipa Now, Besan Na Bibyo Kami Kumiyang Tiyo, Kathini Lam Kai Ho Himang Zawin Tin, Lung Niao Lo Tiyo, Na, Ilung Niao Sa Lo Tiyo Hi Lam Kai Ho, Hang San Dai Pon Tiyo, Aki Ma Chon Kho Aki Tho Pi Tiyo Hi, He Phun Mga Tu Dai Ki Tho Khom Cha Lo Ikaw Ma, I Ma Cha, Hilo He Ping A Ki Dum Lo, Ki Chi Ki Lung San Unity, Kichpa Ipai Moyin, Tu Kiu Hilo, Ilung Tum Mo Kam Tum Hi, Kipa Hom Na Tum Hi, Imu Ka Siwa, Thi Nen Ito Mai Thiu, Ha San Ito Mai Thiu, Nei Lamang Tam Ta Cha Tiwi Jong Lung Niao Lo Tiwi Hi, Hapan Pum Ten, Sampai lerte, kamai nome, we win.
พี่เราฮะดิงกับพี่เราฮะนั่งเล็กๆหูดิงกับพี่เราฮะ We won We won We won We won We won Respect 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 谢谢谢谢谢谢 Remove 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 We won We won We won We won We won We won Respect 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 Remove 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 谢谢谢谢谢谢 We won We won We won
We won! We won! We won! 谢谢谢谢谢谢谢谢 We move! We move! We move! We move! Respect! 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 We won! We won! We won! We won! We won! Respect! 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 ฮัลโหลฮัลโหลคนไทยใต้ขนมจับกองทีม We won! We won! We won! We won! We won! 谢谢谢谢谢谢 We move! We move! We move! We move! Respect! 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 We move! We move! We move! We move! We won! We move! We move! We move! Sa ating kuha nung sa dalawa mo, sa ating kuha. Sa ating kuha, ginagawa mo, sa ating kuha. Ang ayun lang, nung sitain, thamkhat. Tua hi, mini na mo nung hisin, na wazong neo khat pe, na lung tim po na naiten, nuoy do herin, lai na tayo sa mga o. Langa pa na pa mo di ko na. Kasi ko na, serious na ganun kong kagin tuloy. Baka tayo sin, iba ipaw. Spoken hot pata sa diwe. Ale. We won! We won! We won! We won! Champion! 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 We move! We move! We move! We move! Yes, sir! Hello. Hung right to join me before even out the hall. Setting like that, me song, Ganta Tagi Tanahi, Diamond and Mama of Vienna. Zeton, and the Pantini, and let me take on to
Hello, Sophie. Lamse Lampama to near Rally, Kibola, he taken out in that his horse of the boy. He'll have it. Lamse, his program to take the garden and make it turn out. Hello, Sophie. Lamse Lampama, let her and so hot too. Lamse, Rally to take garden and make it turn out. Pante. no take it in oh a bela kan say kita lo de he ya thai so ho we won we won we won we won respect 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 CRPF 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 remove 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 we won we won we won we won we won respect 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 remove CRPF CRPF we won We won! We won! CRPF! 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 We won! We won! Respect! 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 CRPF! 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 Remove! Remove! We won! Upon sa kaya ako masahogo, we won! We won! We won! Respect! Respect! Remove! Remove! CRPF! 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 Itin, iloy ho, nga lalayang itin. Hitinay mo na hinili program kampi. Ito kinanin. Hisi program anamin Joho, Zose, Sis Namhi, of public rally at Koite. Inside Tavin, tuwa na ba na public gathering and war of remembrance to Ibo. Chihin, masapin natin ngayon. Memorandum simhana ananayo hitin abana speech ay naipiding of Organization for Human Rights na nagibong hitin abana kukin do lo so hitin ano ko lang tulpante hello Hongovin to ako nalay hong pan hozong natha joy mai ma diu hin ana chi nai lo dingin program abana pha chom chai nai na lai diu tu dai ki khom lo na piano Ipasal hangsan ligaw hangsan hong ba ahin ko uto sila iso pinuzaw sangking kibona ba katain giya daw kinutin numay kat mihing kat kibona tingang tingin tayo din so kayo hiye nakahali po na nung dahil kasi tuntunin tasa mo tasa pa ho ano nalay ho di nga tinaya kong ipege ihiman ihinay bahine umulong na sila di mahitin program zang pagnalang ni manood yung mahitay ito na himay saipol at ito kasi imabangin kung nga pa rin kan sa imabangin Central Force o Internet po yun ang mga zana security yung hamitila tunin na mo ako na ititinsin tawe ang mga ito hinay kita na naging tawe hilawan So Mindanao aning lang ako ang lusit ay hilangay himulong na rising lay ang mutim. Okay, Women Organization for Human Rights spokesperson na eh.
Hello. Munia memorandum hi munia kipiding ahiin National Commission for Human Rights kat kipiding tuzong le Shri Amit Shah Honorable Union Home Minister amako mazong kat kipiding ahiin di sipa chua kipiding ahiin in simdo tangin na Office of the Kuki Women Organization for Human Rights Head Office KIC Complex Tribong, Churachandpur District, Manipur, to Shri Amit Shah, Honorable Union Home Minister, Government of India, New Delhi, through the Deputy Commissioner, Churachandpur, on the gross violation of human rights by Central Security Forces in Jiribam and urgent requests for necessary actions thereof. Honorable Sir, it has come to our attention that there have been gross violation of human rights carried out by the Central Security Forces in Jiribam. Reports have surfaced detailing instances of excessive force and arbitrary killings. Such actions are not only inhuman but also a clear infringement of the basic rights and freedom guaranteed to all individuals. Following a period of relative calm in the ongoing ethnic conflict between the Kuki-Zo tribals and the Meitei community, a tragic incident occurred at Ziron village on the 7th of November. Meitei militant launched a vicious attack on the village, resulting in the brutal rape and murder of Mrs. Zosam Kim. This heinous act has reignited tensions in the region, prompting concern about the escalation of violence and safety of the innocent civilians. The authorities have been urged to intervene swiftly and decisively to prevent further bloodshed and ensure justice for the victim of this senseless violence by bringing those responsible to justice. However, the concerned authorities failed to intervene. It was crucial that immediate action is taken to address the situation and hold the perpetrator accountable. The failure to act promptly has not only undermined public trust in the authorities but also perpetuated a cycle of violence and impunity. In a show of vengeance, on the 11th of November, the Kuki-Zo village volunteers set ablaze several shops and residences in Zakuradur and Borobekra. Upon the arrival of the Central Security Forces, the volunteer opted to avoid confrontation and did not retaliate. However, the CRPF personnel traveling in an armored vehicle recklessly opened fire on the volunteers, resulting in the fatal shooting of one village volunteer on the spot. The remaining volunteers were indiscriminately rounded up and mercilessly killed, with two of them meeting a brutal end by being bludgeoned to death. 10 village volunteers died in the hand of the CRPF that day. The reprehensible act of violence and disregard of human life demonstrate a grave violation of ethical and moral standards that must be swiftly addressed and condemned. The Kuki-Zo people have harbored a deep-seated distrust towards the CRPF when it comes to maintaining peace and sanctity in the buffer zone. Unlike the Assam Rifles, who have earned the trust of the community through their actions and commitment, the CRPF have constantly failed to instill confidence among the Kuki-Zo people. The lack of trust stems from a history of perceived negligence, timidity, and a failure to protect the interests of the indigenous population. As a result, the Kuki-Zo people have been reluctant to rely on the CRPF for ensuring the security and stability of the buffer zone. The Assam Rifles, on the other hand, have demonstrably shown their abilities to uphold peace and safely manage the buffer zone, leading to a stark contrast in perception between the two groups. This contrast highlights the necessity of replacing the CRPF with the Assam Rifles in order to ensure a relatively calm and peaceful environment in the buffer zones. By entrusting the Assam Rifles with this responsibility, there is a greater likelihood of achieving the desired level of stability and security in these crucial areas. It is imperative that the appropriate measures are taken to make this transition a reality, ultimately benefiting the two warring communities. The recent mass killing involving CRPF personnel is a grave violation of human rights and must be addressed with the utmost seriousness. Those responsible for such heinous act should be held accountable and punished according to the law. The use of excessive force resulting in the loss of lives of village volunteers cannot be tolerated, and justice must be served to ensure such atrocities are not repeated in the future. The rule of law must prevail, and those entrusted with the protection of citizens must be held to the highest standard of conduct. The perpetrator have to face the full extent of the law to set a precedent and send a clear message that such actions will not go unpunished. Therefore, it is imperative that the Central Reserve Police Force personnel manning the buffer zones be replaced by the Assam Rifles in order to prevent further bloodshed and to maintain relative calm and peace in the region. The Assam Rifles, with their expertise and experience in handling such volatile situations, are better equipped to handle the security challenges in the area. By deploying the Assam Rifle in a place of CRPF, the authorities can ensure a more effective and efficient management of the buffer zones, thereby reducing the risk of violence and unrest. The strategic decision will not only help in safeguarding the life of the civilians, but also create a sense of security and stability in the region. By sign off by Mrs. Naine Kim Hong Kim, President, KWOHR, and Kim Nehoy Lungdim, General Secretary, KWOHR.